The Commportal home screen provides a snapshot of all your call settings, messages, and recent notifications. From the home screen, there are quick links to features and settings you will mostly use: phone status, My Mobile, call settings, message settings, and notifications. From the home screen, you can also see your personal details, change your Commportal password, change your voicemail password, and access your downloads, such as Accession. The phone status home screen allows you to view and configure settings for all of your incoming calls. Available for calls is your default status, and you can toggle between Available for Calls and Do Not Disturb from the drop-down here. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, all incoming calls will go directly to voicemail. From here, you can determine how incoming calls are handled. You can choose from Ring Your Account Phone, which will ring your business phone number shown here. Ring Your Phones in Order, which will ring all phone numbers you have configured here in the order they are listed. Ring Your Phones Together, which will ring all phone numbers you can configure here at the same time. Forward to Another Phone, which will ring only the phone number you have configured here. Here, you can view your account phone by hovering over with your mouse, and by clicking the plus sign, you can add your frequently used numbers here. Simply enter the phone number, followed by a description, and click Add. You can also determine your no answer and busy calls from here. If you would like to forward calls to another number after a predetermined number of seconds, select this option and select a number you would like calls forwarded to. This will save your frequently used numbers for later use. You can also configure a temporary number by selecting this option and entering the phone number. Click OK to save your settings. In the Advanced Settings section, you can set the following advanced settings. Forward Selected. This setting allows you to forward calls to a specified list of callers. To enable, select Forward Selected and select Forwarding List. Enter the number of numbers you would like to selectively forward and click Add New. You can also choose contacts from your contacts list or extension list here. Select OK when you're done. Next, select the number you would like to forward these callers to. You can select a number from your saved list or use a temporary number. Make your selections and click OK to save your settings. Reject Selected. This setting allows you to reject specified phone numbers or callers without going to voicemail. To enable, select Reject Selected, then Rejection List. Add the phone numbers, contacts, and/or extensions you would like to add to this list. Click OK when you're done. Distinctive Ringtone. This setting will notify you when a specific caller is calling by playing a distinctive ringtone. To enable, select Distinctive Ringtone, and then the distinctive ringing list. Add the phone numbers, contacts, and/or extensions you would like to add to this list. Click OK when you're done. Forward if unavailable. This setting will forward calls to another number or temporary number if you are unavailable or busy. To enable, select Forward if unavailable and select Another Phone. Enter a phone number from your saved numbers list or enter a temporary number here. Click OK when you're done. Anonymous Callers. This setting will automatically reject callers with anonymous numbers without sending them to your voicemail. To enable, click on Anonymous Callers. The My Mobile settings provides you with several features to help you use your mobile phone with your mailbox. To begin utilizing your mobility features, enter your mobile number here. Then click Next. To fuse your mailbox to enable voicemail forwarding to your mobile phone, you will need to set up call forwarding on your device. To view instructions on how to do so, enter your wireless provider from the drop-down list here and click View Instructions. To send text messages to your mobile device when you receive a new message, check this box. To skip accessing your voicemail device with a PIN code, check this box. To enable voicemail messages to play automatically when you dial into your voicemail box, check this box. To enable fax messages to play automatically when accessing your messages, check this box. The voicemail playback dropdown gives you options to either view details of the message, like the caller ID information and date and time of the message, plus the message itself, view the messages only, or view the call details only. Select your preference and click Save Settings when you're done. Go to the Call Settings option. From here, a list of call settings will be available for you to modify or configure. Click Message Settings to configure all your voicemail settings. From here, you can configure your message settings. Check this box to receive a copy of voicemail and fax messages to a specified email. Check the box and click Add an email address. Enter your email address. Only one email address is allowed. Check Leave Original in Inbox if you want to keep the original messages in your Messages tab. Next, under Mailbox Access, check this box to skip accessing your voicemail device with a PIN code when you call into your voicemail from your desk phone. Check Fast Login if you would like the system to automatically recognize your phone number when calling into your voicemail box. If this is enabled, you will only need to enter your voicemail PIN. Check this box to enable voicemail messages to play automatically when you dial into your voicemail box. To enable fax messages to play automatically when accessing your messages, check this box. The voicemail playback dropdown gives you options to either view details of the message, like the caller ID information and date and time of the message, plus the message itself. View the messages only or view the call details only. Select your preference and click Save Settings when you're done. Finally, under Voicemail Greeting, you can record or upload greetings. You can choose to either use a standard system greeting, record or upload, and use a personal message of your choice. For your default greeting, you should select a greeting from the list of available greetings in the drop-down box. The list of greetings includes the following standard system greetings. System. This plays the normal system greeting with no identifying information. System with number. This plays the normal system greeting, including your phone number. System with name. This plays the normal system greeting, but includes your recorded name. You can also choose to use a greeting where you can record or upload a personal message. To record your own greeting using the microphone from your computer, press the Record link. The system will ask if you will allow it to use your microphone. Select Allow. Next, press the Record button and record your greeting. Press the Play button to play the greeting back. If you are satisfied with your greeting, press Save. To upload a previously recorded greeting, select Upload Greeting and click Choose File. Find the file on your computer and click Upload. Click Save to save your uploaded message. Please note, greetings that already have a recording will be marked with an asterisk beside the name in the list. The Notifications tab allows you to configure the different kinds of notifications that you can use with your messaging service. The Message Waiting Indicator allows you to configure the voicemail system to notify your phone whenever you receive a new message for handsets that support message waiting indicators. Depending on your phone, the notification will either flash a light on your handset, display a notification icon on the screen, and/or signal a message with a sound or vibration. Check this box to receive notifications on incoming messages and specify which messages to receive notifications on here. Click Apply to save your settings. In the Email section, select this box if you would like to receive email notifications of incoming calls to a specified email address. Please note, this is only a notification that a message has been received. This is not a copy of the actual message. Once the box is checked, specify which messages you would like to receive notifications on to the stored email. If an email is not stored, click New Entry and enter the email address. Click Apply to save your settings. In the Outdial notification section, you can configure the voicemail system to call you whenever you receive a new message. You can choose which types of messages you would like to be notified about and specify the hours you would like to receive these messages by clicking Schedules. Check this box to enable and enter the phone number here. Check the boxes of the messages you would like to be notified of here. Click Apply to save your settings. In the Override Notification section, you can enable to configure the voicemail system to notify you differently for a period of time. For example, while you're on vacation, you might only want to be notified of urgent messages, and you might want to be notified in a different way from normal. To enable, check this box and specify the expiration date here and phone number you'd like to be notified at. Choose the specific type of messages here. Finally, set the limit and delay between retry attempts until the message is marked as read. Click Apply to save your settings. To listen to your voicemail messages, click the Messages and Calls tab. From here, you can listen to and/or view a transcription of new voice messages, faxes, and deleted messages. To save a copy of the message on your computer, right-click and select Save Target As or Save Link As. You can record and send a voicemail as a response to callers that support voicemail replies. You can also forward voicemails if they are not marked as private. If you wish to forward a voicemail to another user that supports voicemail replies, you can forward the message as a voicemail. Otherwise, you can forward the voicemail as an email to one or more email addresses. The voicemail will be attached to the email as a WAV file. This feature also enables you to leave voicemails for other users of this voicemail system by recording and sending a message through this website rather than phoning them. You can also record a single message in this way to be left for multiple users rather than phoning them each individually. To manage your network-based contacts, click the Contacts tab at the top. To add a contact, click the New Contact button. Enter the contact's details. When finished, click Save. You can assign your contacts to groups. Call Manager will treat calls from members of those groups according to rules that you specify. You can create a new group with the New Group button or search to find an existing group and edit that group. Choose a contact to add to the group and click Save. To make a call from Commportal, click the Start drop-down here. Then Make Call. Select or enter the number you would like to call and click Dial. This allows you to place the call from your desktop phone using your business caller ID. When you select this option, the call is placed, and your desktop phone will ring. Once you answer, the call will be placed. To end the call, click the End Call button or hang up the handset. If you are not at your desk but would like to place a call with your business caller ID but from a different phone, click the Change link. Enter the number of the phone you're using, for example, your mobile phone, then click Dial. Your mobile phone will ring. Once you answer, the call will be placed to the destination using your business caller ID, not your mobile phone caller ID. To initiate an instant Accession meeting from Commportal, select Start a Meeting. If you haven't already installed Accession Meeting, the application will download. Once installed, click either Start Without Video or Start with Video to start an instant meeting. You can choose to either start the meeting with or without video. Next, select either the Join by Phone or Join by Computer tab, depending on whether you want to join the meeting using your computer or phone audio. And then click Join Audio to start the meeting. If you selected to start without video, you will see the following meeting ID window. Please note, If you selected to start with video, you can access the Meeting ID window by clicking on the toolbar camera icon to turn your video on. When you start a meeting, the meeting topic references your name and you are automatically assigned as the host for the meeting. The Meeting ID window also displays the invitation URL and meeting ID. Note, once created, the meeting ID for an instant meeting is valid for 24 hours. For more information on Accession Meeting, please view the Accession Meeting video tutorial. When using the User Web Portal, you can modify the buttons on your desktop phone. For example, you can assign speed dial contacts to buttons or configure features such as call park and monitored extension. To configure the keys on your desktop phone, under the Personal Details, select Devices. Click on Set Keys link. An image of your phone will appear. Click Edit. Please note that buttons that are shown in red cannot be configured. All other buttons can be modified. Select the button to modify. Then select the feature or service to assign to that button. Options include Monitored Extension. This allows you to see if another user is on or off their phone. Enhanced Monitored Extension. This allows you to see if another user is on or off the phone and allows you to pick up that user's ringing line from your phone. Park Call. This allows you to park a call in your extension or another user's extension and retrieve that call from another phone. Retrieve Park Call. This allows you to retrieve a call that has previously been parked. Automatic Redial. This allows you to redial the last number that you called. Call List. This allows you to view your most recent missed, placed, and received calls. Directory. This allows you to view your company directory. And Intercom. This allows you to place an intercom call. Once you've made your selection, enter a label. This label, or partial label, will be displayed next to the button you are configuring. Next, click Save Changes. When prompted, click OK. Next, simply unplug your phone and plug it back in to reboot and see your changes. The Security section lets you set up security options for your phone to your portal, call service, and your voicemail. To change your password or PINs, from the Security section, select the password or PIN you need to change or reset. For the Commportal password, enter your new password in the Password text box. Enter your new password in the Confirm Password text box. Click on Confirm. You have two different PINs. Your call services PIN, which you use to access remote access to call forwarding, and your voicemail PIN, which you use to access your voicemail. To change either of these PINs, enter the new PIN in either the call services PIN or voicemail PIN text box. Click on Confirm. All your devices work together in a single system. You can download apps that are convenient, practical, and easy to use. To install an app from your home screen, go to Support, select Downloads. Click on View Apps. From here, you can select from the different apps available to you. Select Desired, then click on the install destination to begin the install process. Depending on your access, you will choose from the following popular apps for your computer, mobile, or TV. Accession Communicator for desktop and mobile. This business softphone easily integrates with your business line and is available for Mac, Windows, iPhones, iPads, and Androids. Dialer. This app makes calls right from your desktop. You can quickly search and call any of your Commportal contacts. Call Me. This feature allows you to add a button to a web page or email signature that people can click to call you once they enter their number. Conference. This feature allows you to set up a conference call from your desktop. It integrates with Google Calendar, Windows 7, Vista Sidebar, and Mac Dashboard. Quick Dial Accelerator. This feature allows you to make calls from your desktop. Thank you for viewing this Commportal tutorial. To exit, click the